The intended goal of this video is to show how you can set your display settings and grade calculations in PowerTeacher Pro. This should be done first so you don't forget to do it. To set your display preferences, choose the Settings charm and Display Settings. Under Class Names, choose how you want your class names to appear in your gradebook. Under Traditional Grades, Show Traditional Grades should be checked. You can choose the values that you want to appear in the grade column. Under Standards Usage, that box should not be checked. Choose how you want your student names to display, how you want your students sorted, and whether or not to add newly enrolled students to the bottom. If this is not checked, newly enrolled students will be in your list alphabetically. If it is checked, they'll be at the bottom of your list. And then hide pre-registered students means if a student enrolls a week before actually attending your class, they won't show up on your roll until they have started attending your class. Remember to save when finished. To set up grading calculations, go back to the Settings charm and choose Traditional Grade Calculations. You cannot edit calculations for F1, S1, S2, or E3. Those settings are pushed down by the district, so that's one less thing you have to do. You can edit your calculations for Quarter 1, Quarter 2, Quarter 3, and Quarter 4. There are two options, category weighting or total points. If you choose category weighting, you may use any of the categories that you've made active. And remember to do that, you went to the A+ grading charm and categories. Categories are pushed by the district. The decision was made last year to remove the miscellaneous category. To set up grade calculations with category weighting, click the pencil at the end of Quarter 1. These are the default categories that will be in all grade books, but you can change those. If you want to change a category, you click on the category and choose another one. Now, the categories that you'll have to work with this year are classwork, homework, performance task, project, quiz, and test. If you want to delete a category, you click on the minus sign beside it. If you want to add a category, you click on the plus sign, you change it to category weighting, choose your category, and if you choose one you're already using, it will tell you. You can adjust the percentages by adjusting the weights. When you adjust the weight, it will adjust the percentage automatically. Remember to save when finished. Now, if you want to set up your categories, your calculations with total points, you're going to delete all but one row and then change that category weighting to total points and save. You can choose to drop any low scores in any of the terms. If you choose to do that, the recommendation is that you wait until the end of a term to do that. You may have noticed on the assignment list page that you have the option to create a new category. If you choose to do that, be aware that any grades in categories not pushed by the district will not be included in grade calculations. So if you set up another category and you assign grades to it, those grades will not be included in the final calculation.